What I appreciate about Ian is that he wants you to be successful and he'll back you up every step of the way. My first impression of the training was that I wish this was the training that I started off with. Compared to other trainings I've done in the past, GoPro is ahead leaps and bounds. Wins actually far more than the combined losses. I like his effective and easy approach to the trading. His reputation speaks for itself, having a 30-year-odd career and then 15 years in actually training, 10 years in training. That's what you want to hear, especially when you start off. Well, the level of trading that GoPro offers ranges from basic to more advanced concepts, and it's very easily integratable into your daily routine if you already have one, your daily trading routine. Especially since they provide tools and templates in the GoPro Trading Academy. My trading has really actually improved, I think especially with the confidence that really improved leaps and bounds, obviously by becoming and placing better trades and good trades. The mindset is what Ian focuses on to kind of make a full trader. Because actually it's more than 95% mindset to actually place the trade, the consistency, the discipline, and actually placing a trade on a neutral perspective, and it kind of eliminates the fear. Yeah, I'm grateful Ian taught that. That's a great thing that, and why I appreciate the GoPro Trading Academy and Ian's training on trading. Because that's what you need to actually become a professional and to make this a success and a full-time career. Compared to other trainings I've done in the past, GoPro is ahead leaps and bounds, especially since it teaches you the very core basics and fundamentals of being a good trader and placing good trades. The best part about Ian's training is that it is easily accessible and easily implementable into your current trading if you had or if you're a new trader. It's really actually helped me by actually making me lose my fear of placing a trade and really actually focusing on what good trades are so that I can minimize my downside with losses and that my wins actually is far more than the combined losses. A really good and implementable strategy. My biggest breakthrough would be twofold. First and foremost would be my fear of my losing trades and the consistency that I can place trades with now. And then secondly would be that I can already see within the first week and 2 weeks of my trades that the winners definitely did outweigh the losses.